Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Product of the Week. I'm your glorious and all-powerful maker, Robin Mitchell. In this episode, we will be looking at the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 5, the CM5 range, which provides you with the power of a Raspberry Pi 5 in a small compute module capable of being used in just about any project you can think of. So let's get straight into it and cue the intro. The Raspberry Pi Compute Module 5 is a system-on-module based on the Raspberry Pi 5 hardware, designed specifically for embedded systems and custom products. Like the Raspberry Pi 5, it runs a full 64-bit Linux stack, so you are not losing any of the normal software ecosystem. The key difference, however, is that this is meant to be integrated directly into your own hardware designs, rather than being used as a standalone board. So instead of plug and play, this is very much design it in your own product and build around it. This makes it extremely powerful for those who need to integrate serious capability but don't want cables and connectors flapping around in the wind. What makes the Raspberry Pi 5 Compute Module 5 amazing is the very thing that makes it unique. It's a module. It takes everything good about the Raspberry Pi 5 and puts it into a configurable industrial format, which reduces its size, weight, and even cost. But just like the standard Pi machines, you can choose your RAM, storage, and wireless options depending on what your design actually needs. So whether you want a minimal setup or a fully loaded 16GB configuration, it's all selectable. Then there is the industrial design angle. This is not a hobby board with compromises. It's meant for real embedded products. You get PCIe support, dual display capability, camera interfaces, and a serious amount of I/O exposed properly for system integration. Of course, there is one massive trade-off. It's a modular card with no I/O connectors. This means if you don't use the module expansion motherboard, then you do need to deploy engineering skills to get it to work. This is not something you casually wire up on a breadboard. It requires some serious skill. Moving on to the features of the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 5, it integrates a Broadcom BCM2712 quad-core Cortex-A76 running at 2.4 GHz. Memory options range from 2GB all the way up to 16GB of LPDDR4, depending on the variant you choose. He's got RAM, get him. Storage is also configurable, with eMMC options from 0GB up to 64GB, and you can also choose whether or not you want wireless connectivity included. In terms of interfaces, you get PCIe Gen 2x1, Gigabit Ethernet, USB 2.0, and dual USB 3.0 via a carrier board design. GPIO is heavily exposed, with up to 30 pins supporting multiple UART, I2C, SPI, and PWM functions. On the display side, there are dual HDMI 2.0 outputs supporting up to 4K at 60 frames per second, along with dual MIPI interfaces that can be used for cameras or displays depending on your setup. You also get hardware video decoding support and a modern GPU, keeping it in line with the Raspberry Pi 5 platform capabilities. So, what applications would this module be used for? Well, to start, industrial controllers and embedded automation systems can take massive advantage of this machine, where reliable compute platforms are often needed. Its tiny size, low weight, and ease of deployment make it perfect for devices that face major constraints, and its swappability means that if a design needs a more powerful module, it can simply be switched out. It's also ideal for designing custom single-board computers for commercial devices where you want full control over the hardware layout. For example, think the Apple Neo, but for a Raspberry Pi where you have the tiny motherboard module and then the peripherals laid out in a very particular way. Robotics is another strong area, especially with the camera and sensor integration options available through the MIPI and GPIO connectors. This also supports edge computing systems that need some real processing power behind them, not just some lightweight microcontroller logic. To really sum it up, anywhere a normal Raspberry Pi starts to feel a bit off the shelf, the CM5 steps in. So in conclusion, the Raspberry Pi Compute Module 5 is a Raspberry Pi 5 turned into a proper embedded module. Its biggest strength is flexibility and industrial control over the design, letting you build real products instead of just prototypes. It's not plug and play like normal Raspberry Pis, but it is significantly more powerful when it comes to system design. If you are building real hardware, it is very much the serious version of the Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching, and if you like what we do here at Electromaker and want to show your support, then hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.